what I'm saying. Anyways, guys, welcome back. Episode 8.
Can we hide in here? My shit.
Hey, yo, sugar lips, you want me to put my penis in your mouth?
Oh. Bitch. Hey, bitch boy. You want a little pet? You want a little scrubber? Scrubby, 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 scrubby. Ew. Ew.
Holy shit!
Oh, I got my emotes.
Oh, so do I.
Oh, okay. Alright, it's a flashlight again. Oh, it's right here. Alright, welcome to our YouTube channel. To our YouTube channel. Hello.
Camera. A thumbs up beam.
Make sure you share it to your family, friends, and your mother, and your father, and your sister, and your grandmother, and your sister, and your father, and your grandmother, and your grandfather, and your...
Oh, he's a bit... turn around. Behind you.
Oh my god, spooky monster.
Hello?
Oh my fucking god.
Look at him go. This is... Damn. Yo, Dante, is that your glow up?
I'll tell you on
the tase gun, the taser.
They're filming. Give us a hello. He's a little funny. Oh yeah, record this. Burn. Oh, spooky.
Alright guys, my friends have just died. Nice ass stick. Yeah, my friend just died. It's crazy. Look, this is exactly my reaction. Oh Christ. You scared the shit out of me. Plug walk. Hey. Crazy guys, crazy. The shit I do for you guys. Things I do for my YouTube channel. Who the fuck are you? Damn no. Right guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. There's spooky things happening behind me that are unexplainable. You can see him, he's moving. He's getting closer. I think I might be I think my friends are dead. I'm scared.